Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by positioning the charger on a flat, stable surface and powering it with the proper adapter. Use the charger's supplied cable for best results. Next, make sure your phone's case is thin and free of metal. This ensures efficient coil coupling. Then place the Oppo Reno 13 Pro face-up, aligning its center with the charger's coil. You should feel or see a confirmation sound or animation once charging begins. This alignment minimizes heat and maximizes charge speed. Once charging has started, monitor the phone for the charging icon and the pad's LED. That feedback tells you the coil coupling is correct. If you need faster or cooler charging, make sure background apps are closed, because heavy CPU or camera use raises temperature and throttles speed. Also, if you rely on fast wireless modes, confirm the pad's wattage matches the phone's supported rate. Otherwise, your Reno will default to lower power. Make small position adjustments until the indicator is steady. To finish, pick up your phone after it reaches the desired percentage. Frequent full charges are fine, but avoid leaving at 100% constantly to preserve battery health. If either device becomes noticeably hot, stop charging and let both cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Heat reduces efficiency and can trigger thermal limits. If charging fails, check the pad's cable and wall outlet, remove any case, and try another Kai pad. This single troubleshooting step often reveals whether the issue is the pad, the cable, or the phone itself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.